Okay, folks, it is another episode 2 of 15-Minute Friday. I am going to try to do it in under 15 minutes, and I'm going to show some frames and some images and videos from last night's light show. Yes, this is from last night, looking the same direction that they put the whole phala display up, phalamation. And that I want to look at a little bit closer too. But this here, what you're looking at is like a frame by frame of the activity to the southwest, looking towards Basic High School and Black Mountain. In fact, this where you see that lighten up right there on the left side of the frame, right down below that, right here where these little group of lights are, that's Basic High School right there. And then off way in the distance is Horizon Ridge and Black Mountain. So this energy was propagating, I believe, between us and Black Mountain. If not, then I mean, some of these streaks coming through here. Well, now that's going backwards. We're going backwards now. We're in reverse. I want to look at a couple of those a little bit closer with the magnifier too. This was the other series of captures from the other day that I had shown. This was the view that you're looking at on a Google Maps of the camera angle towards Lake Mead. And then this was some of the energy that was just, it was so thick. And there's a lot of energy that's been getting propagated around here. Yeah. It was almost like there were beams just kind of radiating down from high above. Just a lot. A whole lot of energy. So, yeah. Let me get rid of that one. Let me go through these a little bit more and look at them a little bit closer with the magnifier. This was from last night. This is something else. Now, I was trying to look through some of these because I was wondering if I would find something that would look something like a unicorn. And this, I think, is probably the only frame that looks close to it, and it's that shape right there. That to me, I don't know because I'm silly like that. Let me see if I can, let's flip it. Yeah, there we go. You can kind of see there's the shape and the outline. I mean, it kind of does look a little bit like a horse. I mean, I mean, I did request a unicorn, but maybe that's the closest they can get. I don't know. But yeah, I've been like looking through these captures and it stays there for a little bit. If you watch, let me go back a little bit and I'll put the magnifier right here on this spot where it appears of what I think might possibly be the unicorn that I made a special request for. Now remember, I requested to see their crafts highlighted. There it is, upside down. I wanted them to illuminate their crafts, and then I also wanted them to give me something a little bit more spectacular than a penis. Okay? And I asked for a unicorn. And I mean, it lingers there for a little bit. But if you flip that, it looks kind of like a unicorn. I mean, it kind of looks like a horse. I'm just saying. I'm just silly like that. I don't know. That might be my unicorn that I requested right there. And then there's a couple of other frames where it does kind of look like there's some either drones maybe or some kind of structure, a physical structure of some kind. There's kind of like a triangle looking thing right there. But that is an intense amount of energy, folks. And that would be located directly to the south where all of them big, huge photovoltaic solar array fields are. Okay, there we go. There's another frame where I think there's something right there, I believe, right there. There's like a bell looking object right there. Let me see if I can get rid of that. Let me go to the color. Okay, I don't know. Let me see. Reset that. Expose it a little bit more, maybe. Let's see. I don't know if that'll help at all, but to me it looks like maybe there's an object right in there, but I don't know. Oh, oh, wait, you get rid of that. Which frame was that? Oh, let's go back up. There's the horsey. Yeah, there we go. There's snaking back out. What's that one? All right, let's close that one out. There we go. And I mean, there's kind of like a horns there. Wow, yeah, that is something else. Was an intense amount of energy. There's kind of interesting shape going on right there too. And it stays there for a little bit. Yeah, very intense. A lot of energy. Let me go back up there to a couple more frames. Yeah, it looks like it's beaming down. Phew, phew. And then it comes back again. That is an intense amount of energy. And let's see. Oh yeah, this one here I wanted to look at a little bit closer. Yeah, that is something else. I tell you what. Yeah, that is so much energy. And it's just intense. Yeah, there we go. There's the one I want. Let me, oh, go back. I'm going to pull that whole thing right out there. Let me copy. I don't know what my time is looking like. I bet I'm getting really close to 15 minutes already. Yeah. Let's get that a little bigger. Yeah, let's see. And then I can get out the magnifier. It kind of looks like there's an object or something right there that's helping to direct this energy out and around something. Let me get rid of the magnifier. Yeah, that really got dark, huh? Looks kind of like there's something. That energy is like wrapped around right in there. See the gap? There's like a little gap right there in the energy because we know the dark line is the outline of the energy of the what they call the lightning. And there's something there that is obviously split it, but it's gathered, concentrated right there in that part. And, yeah. Oh, oh yeah, that was the clip. Okay, yeah. I don't know. It's pretty curious. It's an interesting outline and a shape because I've captured that same outline so many times before and it's just very familiar. Yeah, there's more energy getting propagated there. That's a different angle. Let me pull that one out too really quick. I know I'm getting close to 15 minutes. I have to be. Darn it. Okay. Yeah, right there in the very middle. It looks to me like something. Yeah, this really distorts it. Hmm. Yeah, again, it looks like there's a break right in there. I don't know. Yeah. It's intense. Looks like there's something down here too. Yeah, it just kind of lingers. That shape lingers in the sky there. There's several frames. That it just, and then you can still see the outline of it there. We got a little knot right there. Yeah, this is the series of frames here where that looks like there's an object right there. And I want to back that up because it almost looks like it's there and then it comes around right there and then it appears right there. Like there. There. And then it zips around there. And then it comes down in there. Oh my, yeah, there it is. Oh, that's just crazy. Yeah, it looks like there's something right there. Let me get rid of the mag. I'm such a child. Right there, it looks like there's something, looks like a triangle shape of some kind right there. And then the same thing out this way, but oh my goodness. Really? I'm so immature. I know it. Oh, you kind of see that one there. It almost looks like a trowel. You know, like the shape and the outline of a trowel right there. Mm-hmm. Get rid of the magnifier again. There's the outline of that again. Let me see, maybe. Yeah, right there. Oh my goodness gracious me. There's a lot of energy there. And that looks like it's outlining something right there too. Just that series right there. I just wait right there. And then that was one last little frame there that popped out. That is just, come on now. Oh yes, the Jupiter capture. That what looks like a representation of Jupiter coming in for a landing here. And it was shortly after I had captured what looked like something striking one of Jupiter's moons. And again, I am going to upload this storm footage from last night as well. And I'll try to put some timestamps in some of the moments where it gets really, really intense. So, all right, y'all. I hope everybody has a fantastic Friday. And please keep a heads up. There's a lot of